not. What is that?
It's a seal.
Is it cool?
It's awesome. Look, look.
Tick tock, take time. I'll be here when you want me. Stay up late nights, doing things that he won't do. But what do you see here? You gotta know I care. I just try not to show it. What if you don't fear? Break it off, come here. It's not working, you know it. You gotta ask if it's worth it. And let go of all the things that have been hurting. No reverting.
This is where Stefan found me.
$1.
Only $1?
I think I've got some change.
Rude. Well, at least that's 13 rand.
Yeah. Rand, there's a D at the end.
Rand, like I ran away from your currency. I don't want it.
You can ride out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away.
No swimming without costumes. Like clown costumes or like a bunny costume. We're in Hermanas right now at the bay, and this is a man-made bay, obviously, and it's an old fishing market, which is really cool. On a Sunday, you can see people down here getting baptized too. The water's super clear. I imagine it's freezing. Yeah, people come here to look at the whales give birth and see the calves, which is cool. And there's like a little woodchuck running around that I haven't seen yet. It's a tailless squirrel. It's like a South African badger. What is it called?
A Dussie.
A Dussie. There's Dussie.
Dussie or doesn't he?
Dussie or Dussie. Yeah, so here we are. It says that you, feeding the Dussies makes them vulnerable. You can't swim without a costume. You should be dressed like a bunny or Superman or really anything. Also, there's no nude bathing, which is why we're leaving right now.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes.
And this is where people come from all over the world to see the great white sharks. I wanted to drag Stefan in a wetsuit behind the boat, but he would not agree, which I think is lame.
Yeah, so in the water here in front of us, some of the biggest great white sharks in the world swim around here. Quite interesting though is that we wanted to go shark cage diving and take you guys with us and show you that experience. But the orcas have come in, and the orcas have just been chasing the great whites away. So
Which
imagine
would also
this.
be super cool to see.
Yeah, so imagine this. These orcas come in, they flip the great whites on their bellies, or how they just turn them around, and then they eat the livers. And so some of the great white sharks have washed out on shore here in this big bay. So quite interesting that they also have predators.
Yeah, it's very cool. I'd love to see that.
Yeah, amazing. So right now they have probably gone to Australia. They don't like us that much anymore because we have let the orcas in. I don't know who let the orcas in, where they got the passports, but anyways, they're here and
they got deported from America.
yeah. So this is a very, very well-known bay in South Africa. Everybody comes to Hermanas, like what we said, to come and see the whales. The southern right whale calve here, and every year there's hundreds and hundreds of them in the bay, and they breach, and it's just beautiful. So hope you guys enjoyed this one.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yes, I'm
I think I see a new boat mascot.
Wat is een goede naam is?
Dussie.
Dassies, ja, ik het amper gezien, je dwarmpjes.
Well, I want you to catch him, and I want to name him Dustin the Dusty.
Dassie.
Dusty.
Dassie!
This is a southern right whale that washed all the way up here and has been dead for months.
Yeah, right.
Yep. This, my friends, is a glorified bunny cage, or what we put the dusties in when they misbehave.
Where you come up with all this bullshit, I don't know.
If you don't know the facts, give all the wrong facts.
It looks like a massive duck.
It does look like a duck.
Is it not a duck? Is it not a dinosaur duck?
This is what my teeth look like when I don't wear my retainers. Okay, we are done in downtown Hermanus, getting our math books for Bianca and our ice cream and touching stuff that we shouldn't touch, like at the museum. It's Netflix and chill day, people. No, it's not.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
Okay, so we are in the car and we're headed to Ceres, and Bianca is going to be starting school at the Afrikaans school here, and I have been getting a lot of flack about Bianca being homeschooled, that she's not getting the right education and that she needs to be going to traditional school full-time. What do you guys think about traveling around the world and checking into different countries and being a foreign exchange student, learning the language, and then homeschooling in between?
We're at the principal's office. Last time I was in a principal's office, it was not to have fun.
How old are you?
8.
You're 8, so you're turning 9.
Gaat het goed? Dit is Bianca en sy gaan 'n bietjie saam met julle in die skool wees.
Oh, you look really good. That's nice.
Ek voel al baie maar sy het nie groei.
Look at you. I think that'll work.
I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
Which one you should put across your hips. Because the moment we hit the rocky space, I'm going to lift up the suspension.
Okay.
And it's so it lifts up like that, and then it's a lot of body roll.
Okay.
And that body roll might just hurt your back or your.
How do you lift the suspension?
I don't lift it. I just press a button.
Hydraulics, baby.
Hydraulics.
American hydraulics.
It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to do can't wait. We've got catching up to do. There's a glow about you. This is a perfect night to catch a cold. Turn the full length of the North Shore. Stay up for the sunrise, make a wish. There is no way we'll be forgetting this.
How was it? Careful.
It was good. Your dad, we got up the hill and he looked at me and he's like, oh shit, I guess we should probably wait for Stefan. He forgot about you. Okay, I don't care what camera you have, no amount of image stabilization is going to help you here. So anyways, we're halfway up the mountain and it's really pretty up here. There's some clouds up top, which you guys will see here in a second. halfway up and I'm definitely more concerned about going down. I think maybe we should have let some air out of the tires.
Muy nice.
Very pretty. What's happening here?
Time for an hors d'oeuvre. It's got a cup, so we'll just make one. This makes
Crocodile Dundee.
This makes me think of the dad that you're like, are you going to kill the chicken
Keep
or
the
not?
top on. Then we can do it. Got 2 glasses if you got it through the middle.
Woo! Very fancy. Good idea, Dad.
Yeah.
You got a thinker in the family. That's a bad idea.
I did it very...
I know, but you're gonna cut off your wiener.
Well, if he cuts off half, he now has another 12 inches.
That's a proud father.
I am really embarrassed right now. Great. That's a classy tumbler.
It's all about where you are and who you're with.
We're getting a little slippage, so I think that was a good idea. I hope you guys can hear me. It's so windy out here.
It's better than a crystal tumbler. Cheers. Mm-hmm.
You were going away from the side?
Yeah, you were going away from the side. So you're fine there. Let's try again. Okay, perfect. Go make it low.
It's easy, perfect. That's the one thing if you're 4x4 in terrain like this, you have to be patient. The moment you put too much power or you start becoming impatient and you go too fast, you'll, like there, I mean,
Yeah.
you see what happened was the car was going up and a rock stopped the vehicle, and the more we tried to
Go over it.
go forward, yeah, the car started moving to the left. You can go over the side of the mountain.
I don't want to go over the side of the mountain.
Neither do I. I don't want to do
Coming
that.
around the side of the mountain when she comes.
This has been a little more adventurous than I had originally thought it was going to be. Woohoo! I'm regretting turning down that drink.
Welcome to the highest 4x4 route in the Western Cape. We brought you all the way up the mountain. I managed to not spill a little bit of my whiskey.
You didn't spill a drop of your
I did not
whiskey.
spill a drop. And so welcome. We hope that you like the adventure.
This is
let me
so
show you-
cool.
It's amazing. Let me show you what it looks like down there.
Is this where you take your husband if, like...
Absolutely. Should I be not going too close with you?
Well, we haven't signed the life insurance yet, so... Ooh, it's scary. Stay away, stay away, stay away. Ah! Wow. I'm scared.
Many falcons and like bald head eagles here. How cool is that?
Beautiful.
Isn't that beautiful?
Gorgeous. I'm actually really scared.
Why?
I don't know, I think I'm afraid of heights. Maybe I could sit down here. Holy shit!
Yeah, if you fall, there is no way that you will make it alive. Absolutely no way. They have another sport here called kloofing, because in Afrikaans, my language is this called a kloof, which is like not a cliff, but like a valley, I guess. And so they hike down and they sleep in these kloofs, and so they're called kloofing. So you can come to Matroosberg and you can come and walk down here, and you can go at the bottom, you can go sleep, and it's like a 5 or 6 night thing that you track with your food and your backpack. And they also do abseiling here, which is the most extreme abseiling, I guess, in the world. Just look what it looks like down here. It's absolutely breathtaking.
So far.
Living on the edge.
Please don't.
Lone Star!
Wow, that's cool.
Hello! Yes! Hello! Surround sound.
Wow.
That's pretty neat. And that's something.
So they can watch. You're drunk out and up the phone, so here I am at 3
We are headed back down the mountain as she comes. This should be interesting.
Oh shit.
Going down is always scarier than going up.
wicked little games you play, yeah. So step up to the plate, don't wait. It's 3 a.m., so here I am. Oh, you're crazy, crazy. You're bullseye out of your mind.
Danny's gone down that road, yeah, I saw him go. He had snow in his hair, misfortune foretold. Hey Danny, hey Danny. He stopped for a while outside of Boston when he heard his name being called and hit the road again. Hey Danny, hey Danny. And 500 roads and streets have gone. Too many sunsets calling there. You know how it feels, I'm bound to leave soon. But I'll wait for a fortune teller and I'll take care. Hey Danny.
Did you like this video? Please subscribe. Think about becoming one of our Patreon family.
For all the behind the scenes of these girls, what they're doing on the boat, the uncut and the full version, go check them out on Vimeo.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week on Sailing Miss Lone Star.
Maybe we'll make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere.